Welcome, class! Grab your bags and prepare yourselves because today we will be voyaging in a whole new world of mathematics. Math in nature. Voyage in the wonderful world of mathematic sequences. Today, we will be venturing in a world where we can see nature and our everyday lives in the perspective of mathematics. Grab your thinking caps because this will be an interesting journey. Truly, math is everywhere. Before we start, let us recall the following concepts about sequences. Specifically, Fibonacci sequence. Sequences are a set of things, usually numbers that are in order. The Fibonacci sequence is a set of numbers that starts with a 1 or a 0, followed by a 1, and proceeds based on the rule that each number is equal to the sum of the preceding two numbers. The order goes as follows: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, and on to infinity. The formula for this sequence is x sub n equals x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2. Now that we know this, I think we can begin with our journey. For our first stop, we will be discovering the golden ratio in nature, specifically in spiraling shells.
In the illustration, areas of the shell's growth are mapped out in squares. If we follow the rules stated earlier, the two smallest squares have a width and height of 1, then the box to their left has a measurement of 2. The succeeding boxes measure 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on.
Moving on, the second destination in our map is Fibonacci sequence in flowers and branches.
Some plants express the Fibonacci sequence in their growth points, the places where tree branches form or split. One trunk grows until it produces a branch, resulting in 2 growth points. The main trunk then produces another branch, resulting in 3 growth points. Then the trunk and the first branch produce 2 more growth points, bringing the total to 5. This pattern continues following the Fibonacci numbers. Additionally, if you count the number of petals on a flower, you'll often find the total to be one of the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. For example, lilies and irises have 3 petals, buttercups and wild roses have 5, delphiniums have 8, and so on.